Your confidential information is at risk every second of every day. Now, this isn't a scene from a spy movie, but it's a reality in our digital age. Data exfiltration is not just a threat, it's an ongoing assault on privacy and security. First, let's define data exfiltration. What is it? Data exfiltration is about the unauthorized copying, transfers, or even retrieval of data from a computer or a server. It's a sophisticated form of threat which is often hard to detect and even harder to prevent. Consider the 2015 incident involving the U.S. Office of Personnel Management, the OPM office. Hackers believed to be state-sponsored accessed the personal data of over 22 million people. That included their fingerprints and social security numbers. This wasn't just an attack, but it was a massive, orchestrated exfiltration of sensitive data. A hack of similar kind is 2017 Equifax breach. Cybercriminals exploited a vulnerability, accessing the personal information of 147 million people. Names, date of births, addresses, and even social security numbers were exfiltrated, leaving millions vulnerable to identity theft and fraud. Now, these stories are not just cautionary tales, but they are real-life dramas that affected millions. Behind each number is a person, a life that is overturned by the silent threat of data exfiltration. As we speak, it's quite possible that there are similar plots that are being unfolded in this digital world. Someone is being targeted, someone is unsuspecting this, and someone is unprotected. Now, what can we do as cybersecurity professionals, being the guardians at the gate? Now, it's just not about setting up firewalls or setting up encryption, but it's about fostering a culture of vigilance and continuous improvement. Regular audits is paramount. Employee trainings is very important. Incident response plans. And on top of it, stay abreast of the latest threats that are at your arsenal against these silent thieves. Consider the principle of least privilege, regular software updates, and comprehensive monitoring strategies. Now, I want to also highlight that these are not just recommendations. They are the necessities in the modern world where the next attack could be just around the corner. All right, that's all about data exfiltration, about one of the motivations that attackers have. Your awareness and action can change the ending of that attack. Thanks for watching so far. I'm going to put a spotlight on espionage next, so stay tuned. Thank you.